In this tutorial, we're going to set up the conda environment for PHG, and to see what you have currently, you can type conda info --envs, and that will show you what you have. To set up the conda environment for PHG, copy this command phg setup-environment. Paste that into your terminal and hit return. You'll see that it is running that command and installing the requirements for PHG into a conda environment. Now that that is finished, you can run the conda info command again and see that there is a new environment called PHGv2-conda. When that command was run, it copied the YAML file that it was using into this directory, and you can look at that to see what exactly it installed.